What turn the knife on there?
Don't investigate me. Go on where you're going.
What turn the knife on there?
Fast, you fast.
What turn the knife on?
That can't help you.
I'm going to investigate you, Natty.
But you see, some no pet blood clot people.
Yeah, man. Hush.
Tell them as it blood clot is. When you come and investigate me, when you go on where you go. You hear me say, go on the rubbish truck, your blood clot.
Hush.
Hey, listen. Of course, it's a Peanut Dread video from the first video that you just saw. But if you want to see the beginning of this video, you have to watch until the end. And don't skip it. No. And like the video since you're here. No matter watch it and not like it, man. Do me a favor. Like the video because YouTube not helping me out at all. So but you can help me out by just liking the video. Now, we have a nice little video tonight. Peanut Dread in the studio. Huh? Peanut Dread a big record artist. Or recording artist. Or whatever you want to call it. Big old DJ. Yeah. Peanut Dread have studio yard. We'll learn that tonight. Anyways, we're gonna dive right into it. No long talking. Peanut Dread are gonna entertain with tonight.
One, let the bread up in thy mouth, and the meditation up in thy heart, be acceptable in thy sight. Oh, Jah, Rastafari, as I would say, each and every day, right away. Peace and love and unity, yeah. Walk upright, step upright, do upright, talk upright,
That's right.
upright and upright and upright, as I would say. No wrong, no wrong. Let us do right. Who have eyes to see, let them see. And who have ears, let them hear. Yeah, but some have eyes and blind, and some have ears and deaf. Who beyond to them, as I would say, we need to look, listen, and learn. Yeah, equal rights and justice stand for all, and discrimination is against I and I, as I would say. Yeah, walk upright, live upright, step upright, live upright, as I would say, each and every day, as I would say. Yeah. Equal right and justice stand for all, and discrimination is against Rasta, as I would say. Yeah, and I preach peace and love, and I preach equal rights and justice, as I would say. Yeah.
Hey, as funny as Peanut Dread be, and as muted as the cameraman be, most the times, when he says something, it is so funny. All the boss have to say is, But we're Natty shirt there. Natty, you're not afraid of anybody from YouTube. By the way, this video is courtesy of Peanut Dread Official. So to watch the full video without my ugly face or my handsome face or my voice, just go on over there. But don't go over there yet until you finish watch the video, because remember we have a nice piece of video at the end. Alright, but courtesy of Peanut Dread video. Let's continue watching and laugh and everything that's nice. Like a pound of rice. Cool like a ice. Not nice.
Earth to the Lord and the fullness thereof, and them and they that dwell therein, as I would say, each and every day, as I would. What's up music? Say our so. I don't like music. Don't why so. Don't rubber. Whole lot of music. You could never refuse it. Take your time. Take your time. Want some music? They say I want a song. They say I don't like music. They say I don't like so. Rubber. Whole lot of music. You could never refuse it, as I would say, each and every day, you ride away, and I would say, yeah. If she come on the night and she come to the night, and she come with the night, come with the night and she come there the night, come Thursday night and she come Friday night. Girl, when you come to do, you come to kill me with the hand. Not run funny, not run funny. Girl, not run funny, not run funny. Me say she come out the night and she come give me. All where you do, me say me not run funny. She come through the night and she come give me. Girl, all where you do, me say me not run funny. She come Wednesday night and she come give me. She come Thursday night and she come give me. She come Friday night and she come give me. But all where you do, me say me not run funny. She take me from the bed, she nearly kill me with it. He take me from the floor and nearly kill me with it. He take me from the dress and nearly kill me with it. And him a walk and tell him friend him a walk kill me with it. But all when do me not run funny, my brother. Right, because me that little boy is strong and sexy.
Listen to me though, listen to me though, listen to me though. Who gave Peanut Dread a mic? Who gave Peanut Dread a stereo? And who gave Peanut Dread the diss track them? Eh? Come. In a Peanut Dread voice. The Natty said she come Monday night, she come Tuesday night, she come Wednesday night, Thursday night, Friday night, Saturday, and double time on Sunday if you kill him with it. But all she do, she not kill him with it. She have him on the dresser, countertop, under a table, under a floor. All night stove the woman have the natty. And she couldn't kill him with it. She tell her friends them say she gonna kill him with it. Boy, more meet one woman like that, natty, cause more want woman come. Anyways, let's hear what else they have in store in our studio for it. One if they end up killing Natty with it.
Do it,
I got the love in our plate. You got the love. Let us give thanks unto heat, air, and water. Right now, east, west, north, and south.
Do it, Ja.
Ready, man?
Ready?
Born discrimination, born dirty Babylon, born corrupted politician, born dirty liar pastor and all them float sitter stand, born where poor power. Send on the rhythm Natica. Live and direct, you know, we say Elijah there, niceness, fear, sweetness, yeah, diamond, one link up, you know, we keep it lively. How you doing, my people? Senator!
Hear that? Hear that? Hear that? Hear that?
Listen, man, listen. Elijah, your intro too long, brother. And the Peanut Dread, I guess Peanut Dread never wanted to sing because he take too long to play the beat, brother. So me have to cut you off, fam. But the cameraman, listen, he man just said the right time in the videos. I kid you not. But this man, Peanut Dread, is one of the funniest. I've never seen a Rasta this funny. And this is the first video that I've watched 4 minutes and not one bad word from the Peanut Dread. Can you believe that? This was an amazing studio time by Natty Dread, Congo, but whatever you want to call Peanut Dread. Ah, boy. That was funny. Without uttering a word, Peanut Dread made us laugh. Now, for the video that you've all been waiting for. When me telling us if you wait, man. You worth it, man. See Peanut Dread before he start cuss out the man. But my question for real is, what is Peanut Dread spinning? A pudding or a coal? Or what?
You better find blood clot something do before something there, you know. Cause things with you, you know. A lie?
Nothing I do with man.
But then me know a thief, you're an idiot. If me not have money, me a thief.
Alright.
So at that you do, you hustle for your body of money. Not true?
Alright, fuck, alright.
Right.
Now what turning up on there?
That don't investigate me, go on where you're going.
What turning up on there?
Fast, you fast.
What turning up on there?
That can't help you.
Water knife on there. Don't investigate me. Water knife on there. Fast, you fast. Go on your ways. Honestly, I want to know what's turning in the pan. So me have to go watch the video. I'll watch it and report. Or you could watch it and come back and comment. Go over to Peanut Dread Official. That's where I got the video from. And I always get Peanut Dread videos from all over the internet. So probably me just start getting it directly from Peanut Dread Official. And make sure to mention that I got it from there so they don't copyright me. But let's see, I do some changes to the channel. Let's see if that will help to push the channel or the long form videos, because the short videos, amazing, a lot of views. The long form videos, only you guys been watching it, and I appreciate you guys so much for sticking around and even listen to me while I rumble and gamble and stumble. Like the video for me, share the video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so you can come back tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, the day after the day after tomorrow, and watch some more and laugh. And last but not least, comment Peanut Dread in the comment section. Stay safe. God bless.